morning, councillors. Thank you. My name is Sam Hayes. I'm the board chair of Vibrant Communities Calgary, that you also know as VCC. Thank you for the opportunity to speak today, and thank you also for your continued support. Next slide, please. Right now, 1 in 8 Calgarians live in poverty. Nearly a third of households can't afford food and don't know where their next meal is coming from. These aren't abstract statistics. They are our neighbors, they're our co-workers, they're our friends. Poverty at this scale, including its impact on community safety and well-being, can't be solved by a single organization or a single order of government. This is why VCC exists. Our role is to connect research, community, expertise, and decision makers so that Calgary can respond in a coordinated, evidence-based, and cost-effective way. For more than a decade, VCC has served as Calgary's backbone organization for poverty reduction through the Enough for All strategy. We believe in shared solutions backed by trusted local research that supports smarter investments. Thank you. Next slide, please, Danny.
Good morning, members of council. My name is Danny DuBois, and I'm the Executive Director of Vibrant Communities Calgary. In 2025, we celebrated 20 years of impact and poverty reduction in Calgary and focused on understanding community priorities and needs to equip ourselves and decision makers for the next 20 years. Last year, VCC launched the Enough for All Wellbeing Dashboard, which tracks local data on poverty, important for planning and for decisions. Ahead of the municipal election, VCC engaged Calgarians to better understand their experiences and expectations of the city, with those insights reflected in the Your Voice, Our Future report and our election policy platform. As co-chair and backbone of the Calgary Social Policy Collaborative, we helped improve the understanding of income insecurity and coordinated new research on Alberta's gig economy, which impacts about 6% of Calgary's workforce. And through our living wage publication, we helped employers, policymakers, and the public understand the true cost of living in our city. Next slide, please. In 2025, VCC produced and shared 13 research and policy briefs that translated local data and lived experience into clear, actionable insights for decision makers. VCC also engaged more than 7,500 leaders and partners through collaborative tables and cross-sector meetings to advance poverty reduction goals. And finally, 92% of Enough for All champions reported that they are actively focused on building a strong, supportive, and inclusive community through their programs and services, showing strong alignment across sectors and shared outcomes for Calgarians. Next slide, please. In 2025, our work included a 5,000-person engagement that found housing, employment, and food security were top of mind across all wards. Enough for All champion organizations reported incorporating these findings into their planning and service delivery to reflect current needs. Across the sector, our partners reinforced that rising demand is outpacing the system capacity, creating more strain on frontline community organizations and emergency services. VCC helped bring these realities into public conversations through more than 370 media mentions, engagement with over 20,000 social media followers, and outreach to more than 12,000 Calgarians. Our work supports more coordinated and effective responses to the challenges facing Calgarians. Next slide, please. I want to highlight 2 major initiatives that VCC will be undertaking in 2026. First, we are advancing a collaborative community-led project focused on improving access and continuity of mental health supports for Calgarians living in poverty. Co-designing solutions that can improve access to the right service at the right time. Second, we are leading a refresh of the Enough for All strategy with key partners like the City of Calgary, Calgary Police Service, Calgary Economic Development, and Champions. To date, we've hosted over 20 engagements with more than 120 partners, leading to a renewed plan to tackle poverty for Calgary, launching in late 2026. Finally, it is worth noting and remembering that during the economic uncertainty and geopolitical pressures of 2025, Calgary's poverty rate did increase slightly, but still rose more slowly than Alberta's overall. because this city chooses a coordinated, made in Calgary approach, working across sectors with a shared plan to reduce poverty and build a safer, more resilient city. I want to thank Council for their continued investment in VCC and the work that we do. Thank you for your time today.